Good evening viewers, after a long time today I'm going to show you beautiful natural leaves craft related Halloween. So look at this Halloween craft I have done with beautiful natural leaves. How it will be I'm going to show you. Let's start. So guys, today I'm going to show you a beautiful craft with natural leaves. This one is the related Halloween fest. So with natural leaves we will do the skeleton. Okay, so let's start. So like this natural leaves we have to take first, and we need to take outlines, skeleton body, whole the body parts of this skeleton. Just we need to take outlines first. Okay, like this we need to take the outlines, and we have to cut this one. Okay, these are the tooth I will show you with paint. Okay, like this each and every part we need to take the outlines. So skeleton face I have done drawing part like this with the marker, and we are going to paste this one upper part of this paper. See, upper part of this, and whole body part also we need to cut all the parts, and we are going to attach on this paper. Okay. So for this face, no, just will do paint part with black color for eyes, scary eyes like this. Okay, just oval shapes, just we are going to fill with black color, and for this tooth, no, we need to fill with white color. Okay, so tooth also we are going to paint with white color. Scary skeleton. Huh? Wow, very scary, no? So now we are going to attach body parts also, down part of this face. Okay, so down part of this, now just lungs part will be there, no, that one also just I have done cutting part like this with natural leaves, and just we are going to attach here down part of this neck. Okay, and for this also just outlines I am going to give here, sorry. Just if you give like outlines like this, no, with the paint or marker also you can give. Just we are taking outlines like this, and remaining body parts also I am going to attach same like that only. Next, hands will we will attach the hands first. Okay, see, already I have done cutting part like this. See, with only natural leaves. Here also same like that only, just I am going to attach this natural leaves cutting part. Okay, and here little bit down we are trying to attach the hands. Okay, skeleton body, and down part of this one more shape also is there, so just we are going to cut like this shape, and we are going to attach here down part of this here. For this also I am going to give some outlines for this down part of this body. Okay, with black paint I am going to give here. If you have marker you can give very nicely. Okay, and remaining body parts like legs also we are going to attach here. See, already I have done cutting part like this. So here just we are trying to attach like this legs part. Oh, this I will attach like this. Okay, yeah, and the hands also Already I have done cutting part like this. Just I am going to attach here right and left. Okay. See, hands also just we are going to attach here, down part of this legs. Sorry, this hands. Okay. And coming to down part of this, no, legs, only legs remaining to attach here. So I am going to attach this legs also, right and left. Okay. See, here down part of this leg, one leg should be like this and one more should be like this. We are going to attach. That's it. Wow, nice now, with natural leaves. So guys, this beautiful natural leaves craft, no, if you like this video, please kindly do subscribe my channel, like and share, and for more notification please hit the bell icon. Thank you.